Hi, my name is Jeiro Pacheco. I am 28 years old. In my time free I am play soccer. I live in the Villa Pension. My vacation rest in the farm. I live alone. Sister engineering study. And my vacation in was to I want to ride in my car. My recipe is cornstarch. Ingredients. Ingredients. Cornstarch. 1 liter of milk. Cinnamon. 2 tablespoons of sugar. And butter stock. Reserve cup of milk and place the rest in a pot over medium high with the cinnamon. Dissolve the cornstarch with the milk that had been reserved. Add sugar and butter to the pot. Add without stopping stirring the starch previously dissolved and milk. After mixing well, the cream will have a sticky consistency. If when passing the spoon you see the bottom of the pot, it means that it's ready. Support the custard in the glass container. Let cool 2 minutes till the consume. Accompany it when donut. For example, the bon appetit by